Ano daw yung ano ba?
I hate or I get goosebumps when I see many black dots in walls. Okay. Okay, this next person. I don't like to eat the food if it has an unusual color.
Tita Rose.
Yeah.
Bradley. Wala si Ray. Tita Rose? Ako. Ako hain na bigyan ng unusual color. Green. Blue. Sira na yan. Uy, green na yun. Yung sa tilingan nila. Green.
Okay, the next person. Says, I can eat 12 pieces of hard-boiled eggs in 1 minute.
My God! Sino yan?
Ano yan? Malalaya kumain ng itlog.
Alam talaga ni Mom.
Sige, wala na kasi. Ubus na yung lalaki.
Okay, next person. I used to log the clothes I wear every day so I know I don't wear my clothes twice in 2 months. Okay. Okay. Every Christmas, I tell everybody in my family that they don't have to give me Christmas gifts, but if it's cash, it's okay.
Ay, ikaw na yan. Huli na yan eh. Hindi, meron pa pala si ano. Sister ba?
Okay. Next person. I used to weigh 98 pounds.
Marian.
Hindi kayo makapaniwala. 98 pa rin naman ah. Iwan na nga lang sa umpisa. Iwan nga iwan.
Ano, 6 pounds lang natin.